continues to come on the market as prices are higher than last year in most areas. It's Friday, August 16th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, a broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Buyers have been active in southern Maryland with home prices trending higher this year than last. The Baltimore metro area saw a 30.2% jump in inventory compared to last year, but supply is still limited to 1.84 months availability. The mountain market is also seeing more inventory and a slowdown in contracts, though home prices are still higher this year than last. The Maryland suburbs saw more homes selling this year when compared to last, and prices continue to rise. All this data actually means that prices continue to rise as inventory remains fairly limited, and buyers waiting for the market to adjust with lower home prices may be waiting for an economic disaster to happen before prices do go down enough for them to feel justified to buy. Maryland housing inventory has 1,717 homes that hit the market this past week, falling from last week. 1,065 are coming soon, dropping again this week. 1,655 homes went under contract in 13 days, dropping. 1,185 homes sold since last week at 100% list to sold ratio and selling in 11 days. Rentals available for lease fell this week to 2,455, keeping at a median $2,600 per month. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, August 16th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.